Welcome to Travel Seekers Hub. If you're planning to take your beloved cat on a plane, don't worry. Today, we'll explore some useful tips to make sure your cat has a safe, comfortable, and stress-free flight. Traveling with your furry friend doesn't have to be difficult. Let's get started. 1. Check airline regulations. The first important step is to thoroughly check the airline's regulations regarding traveling with pets. Every airline has different requirements for the size and weight of the carrier, as well as additional fees. Some airlines allow you to bring your cat into the passenger cabin as long as the carrier fits under the seat in front of you. However, other airlines may require pets to be transported in the cargo hold. This is crucial so that you can prepare accordingly, especially in selecting the right carrier and knowing what documents you'll need. Be sure to contact your airline in advance to clarify all the requirements and avoid any last-minute issues. 2. Choose the right carrier. Choosing the right carrier for your cat is not just about size. To ensure your cat's comfort, the carrier should be spacious enough for them to stand, turn around, and lie down comfortably. Additionally, the carrier should have good ventilation to ensure proper airflow, preventing your cat from feeling suffocated during long flights. A helpful tip is to choose a carrier with a non-slip base and one that's easy to clean, just in case your cat has any accidents during the trip. You can also place a soft cushion or a familiar smelling item like your t-shirt inside to help your cat feel safer and more relaxed. If your cat is not used to being in the carrier, start training them a few weeks before the flight. Let them spend a few hours in the carrier each day with their favorite food or toy to help them get used to it and reduce stress. 3. Visit the vet before the trip. Before you embark on your journey, it's extremely important to take your cat to the vet. Have their overall health checked and make sure that all necessary vaccinations are up to date. This not only protects your cat's health, but is also a requirement by many airlines. Additionally, you will need a health certificate issued by your vet, and depending on the airline, this certificate may need to be issued within 10 days of the flight. If your cat is prone to stress, discuss the use of mild sedatives or calming remedies with your vet to help your cat relax during the flight. However, keep in mind that not all cats respond well to sedatives, so be cautious and always seek professional advice. 4. Preparing for flight day. On the day of the flight, feed your cat a light meal and provide water, but avoid giving them too much food to prevent motion sickness or digestive issues during the trip. It's also a good idea to pack some food and water to bring along, but only feed your cat after landing, especially if the flight is long. Inside the carrier, you can place a soft cushion or an absorbent pad to keep things clean in case of accidents. Don't forget to bring a few small toys or a familiar smelling item to help your cat feel more secure and reduce stress. 5. Going through security and boarding the plane. When you reach the security checkpoint, the process for pets can be a bit tricky. You'll need to take your cat out of the carrier while the carrier goes through the security scanner. This can be a stressful moment for your cat, so make sure to hold them securely or use a cat harness to prevent them from escaping. Once through security, quickly return your cat to the carrier to help them feel safe again. When boarding the plane, if your cat is allowed in the passenger cabin, place the carrier under the seat in front of you. This keeps your cat close and ensures you can easily check on them throughout the flight. Avoid opening the carrier unless absolutely necessary to prevent unnecessary stress for your cat. 6. Keeping your cat comfortable during the flight. During the flight, try to keep the environment around your cat calm and quiet. Cats can easily become stressed in unfamiliar environments, so make sure no one disturbs them or adds extra pressure. If your cat seems anxious, gently speak to them to help soothe their nerves. For longer flights, periodically check on your cat to ensure they are still comfortable and not showing signs of distress. If your cat remains calm, it's a good sign that everything is going smoothly. 7. Landing and arriving. Congratulations, you and your cat have landed safely. Once the plane touches down, don't forget to take your cat out of the carrier when possible, but only do this after you've left the airport to avoid losing control in a crowded space. Your cat may need time to stretch and relax after the long flight. so make sure you have a quiet space ready for them to rest. Um, Check your cat's health and provide them with food and water immediately after arriving. If your cat shows any signs of discomfort or fatigue, don't hesitate to take them to a vet for a thorough checkup. We hope these tips help make your journey with your cat easier and more enjoyable. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Travel Seekers Hub for more helpful travel tips for your next adventure. Wishing you and your furry friend lots of fun and amazing experiences.